So here's a little theoretical analysis. The chords you're doing here are basically an A minor, a little G, and a little E minor, and back to A minor. So if you're going to strum chords along, blah, da, 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 what that is, so that starts in A minor. The way that the chords always work is the minor chords are usually number 6. So if we take A minor and make it number 6, so we go all the way to A on the 5th string and count down from 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A minor and C are the same key. They're called relative major and minor. So 6th chord is what we call the relative minor chord. That 1 chord is the key chord. So what we're doing here is, in the key of C, we're finding these chords. In the key of C, that A minor chord that we had is number 6. And then the G is a 5 major. And then the E minor is a 3 minor. And back to 6. So in this key, A minor is 6, G is 5, E minor is 3, and then back to A minor, which is 6. So it's just the normal diatonic chords that are in the key of C. Took number 6, number 5, and number 3, and then he played those down here. A minor. Now remember how this works. When you're playing melodies, making melodies from chords, you can take all the notes that are in the chords, jumble them up, and you're going to start getting a scale again. So if I play a G, I'm going to get that now. If I play the A minor, I'm going to get that. If I play another G, I'm going to get this. If I play the A minor, I'm going to get that. If I play the G or the E minor, so I have this melody. A minor on this string has a 2, E minor has a 0, E minor here has an A minor, has a 2 there, the G has an open. So if I kind of look at that, I have the scale. Cool? That's where this melody came from. So, and he's playing a little bit of the basses. He starts with the A minor bass, and then he goes G, some basses, walking down to the E minor, plays the bass, and that's where all those notes came from. Everything you see in that is just a little bit of some chords, played with chord tones to start, going away from chord tones and coming back, and all those non-chord tones are just tones from other chords in that key, in the chords that we're using. Cool? Okay. That's all this is. That's all any piece of music ever is. It's what's that?
Can we talk about picking out scales from chords?
Yeah.
I mean, it's sort of sinking in, but it's not quite gelling.
Okay.
I mean,
so yeah, what you try and do is you look for all the chords and just look at the notes you're playing on each string. So like in the G, the A minor there, and the E minor. On the 2nd string, I'm playing that note, the 3rd fret. On the A minor, I'm playing this note, and on the E minor, on the 2nd. So I got a scale there, and I could play with that. Any note that I see in a chord, I can hit when I'm playing a melody.
I pick up the root note from the chord. So, like, suppose I play a C. So,
What was that?
I mean, suppose I play, any kind of chord. How do I pick out the root note?
You need to worry about the root note. What we're trying to do when we play melodies is just look at the notes that are on each string. Cool?
Okay.
So next up in the song, there's a D chord. Okay? So we have a bunch of chords. Play an A minor chord. Play a G chord. Play a D chord. And play an E minor chord. Okay, now look at the notes that you just played on the 1st string. Go through all those chords again and look at what notes you hit. Play a G chord. What note are you hitting on the 1st string? Play it. Just pluck it. 3rd fret, right?
Yeah.
Now make the D again. Yeah, pluck the note you're hitting there. Look what it is. Yeah, you see what it is? 2nd fret, right?
Yeah.
Now play an E minor and play the note that pluck the note that you're hitting. Which note are you hitting on the 1st string? 1st string. We're only on the 1st string on it. Just the first string. The first string.
The first string?
The first string. Yeah, play an E minor and look at the note you're hitting on the first string.
E.
Just
Well,
hit
what
it.
do
Yeah,
you
hit
mean
it.
here?
Yeah. Okay, now play those three notes again. The three notes that you just got from
So
the
what
chord.
was it? It was
G.
G,
Yeah.
D,
D.
A minor.
E minor or A minor. Either way, you have an open there, right? Yeah. So play those three notes in a row. Third fret, second fret, open. Cool. Now, not the whole chord. Just play the note that you played in the G.
Oh.
The ones that we just picked out.
Oh, okay.
So it was the third fret. Yep. Then. Yeah. Yeah. Now, without making the chord, look at what those notes are. They're 3, 2, and 0, right?
Right.
Okay. Now let's do the same thing on the second string. Make a G chord. Okay, make a G that has a note on the second string there. You know your ring finger on the second string. Yeah.
What, here?
Make your that one G. Okay, now what note are you hitting on the second string there? What fret?
E. No.
Don't worry about the name of it. Just look.
It's open. I mean.
No, it's not. If you're hitting this G, it's the third fret. Play that G.
What's this?
You know this one that we had like in Wish You Were Here, and yeah, the one. So look at the note you're hitting there on the second string.
Is this an actual G or is this
Yes. Yeah, it's a G.
Okay.
What note are you hitting there? What fret?
Third string.
The
It's a
third
D.
fret.
It's a.
Yeah, don't worry about the name of it. It's the third fret, right?
Yeah.
So hit it. Okay, now make a D chord. Now look at the note you're hitting on the second string. What are you hitting there?
So third fret, second string.
Same note, right?
Yeah.
Now make an A minor chord. What note are you hitting on the second string? Yeah.
First.
Now hit an E minor. What note are you hitting there?
On the second string?
Yes. Okay, now play those three notes again. The ones you just hit. You hit a third fret, a first fret, and another.
What was that now again? E, G, E, what was it? G?
Yeah. Just go ahead and hit a D.
Okay.
We need a D. Go get a D.
Okay.
Yeah. So third fret, right?
Yeah.
Look at the note. Now look at the A minor and look at the note you're hitting. Yep. And then E minor. Look at the note you're hitting.
So it's third, first, and
Yep.
it's open.
Yep. Okay. So try that again now. Play those three notes, but without making the
So I
chords.
think
Don't
you-
make the chords. Don't make the chords. Just play those three notes.
Okay.
Da da da. No, that's not what it was. Da, da, da. Is that cool? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Now do the ones on the first string again. Remember what they were? Try again. No, there was no first fret. Yep, and then 3, 1, and 0 on the second string. 3. Open. Now play those all together. Cool. Now do the D again. Find your note on the third string there. Think out what it is. Now on the third string. Third string. You got it. Play an A minor. Look what note it is there.
First.
No.
Oh,
Third
I'm
string.
sorry, second.
Yeah, same note, right?
Yep.
Now make your G. Hit it.
Okay.
Yep, now make your E minor. Same, right?
Yeah.
So the D and the A minor had the same note, and the G and the E minor. So there's only two notes on that string. No, third string.
No, wait. Was it?
Yep, open. Okay, so now you have all these. That's a major scale. As it always will be. Cool? Try it. Figure out what all those notes are again.
Okay.
Just remember them now.
I
Because you already picked them
remember.
out. It was 3, 2, 1 on the first string.
So it's
3, 2, 1. 2. Yeah, don't do the chords, just do the melody so we see a scale.
1.
Yeah, open.
Or is it open? Are we doing-
Open. That one's open. No, open. Cool. Now on the second string it was 3, 1, and 0. That's what we figured out already. 3, 1, and 0. Yeah, 1. And on the third string it's just 2 and 0. Those are the only notes we had. Yeah, you got it. Is that cool? Now if I play this together as a scale. No. There it is. Try playing it up. Try playing it up. Remember, start with open every time. got it. So you have this scale. Cool. I just played a little bit on scale. I hit the chords, and then so what was the next one? A minor. Cool. I'm just playing a little bit out of those notes. So I can make something out of those notes because they all fit together, because those are the notes that the chords were created from. That was the major scale that those particular chords were created from. Is that cool?
Yeah.
So that's where he got the notes from too. And if you do it up here, so it was. So I can go, and then there's a D here if I get that D. I get a little scale there that comes from.
Want to show me that little solo bit, that little
Well, do you want to finish this, or do you want to just learn the melody there? We can do both.
Yeah, let's do a little more. Did you have this on the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be long.